I'm playing. Why y'all coughing from them damn people, man?
If we can't cough, we can't just hold our cough in because it's that stuff going on.
Okay, stop coughing. Damn, man. Dude, oh my god.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Maya, Ghetto Maya, and I'm back with another prank on Gaston. Today is me and Lil Gaston up in here. As you may have saw when we was just up in the room when we did that little vlog, as you know, we coming back and we better and we gonna do better and we, you know. Anyways, so he was complaining about my little cough or whatever. So you know what? We finna go get something to eat and we finna go through a drive-through. And the whole time of us driving there, me and my son gonna be coughing traumatically. Right? Right? We gonna be coughing. Yeah. Coughing on no fake cough. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, yeah, we gonna get him. Let's get it, let's go. We finna prank daddy. Anyways, y'all like. Yeah, you can take your mask off right now. We in the car, baby. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell for more videos. And stay tuned because your girl and your boy coming back harder. Yes, get your kids involved, baby. Get your, let me stop playing. Anyways, yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Let's get this set up before he gets down here. Act like everything is okay. Me and my son, we finna get our daddy. We finna get daddy, right? We finna get daddy, right? Yeah.
We can do the log pranks.
Okay. Okay. Let's get it. Let's go. Let me stop playing. Anyways, y'all, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn that post notification bell. Comment down below. Team Ghetto Maya. Because you know your girl coming back, as I always come back with the pranks. We're not coming to play. We're moving to bigger and better things. And yes, hunty, yes. You want to start trying to get this video for daddy come, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Get he all up in his nose. Here he come, y'all. Does this car start up? Okay, I just started it up. I think you'll.
I see it.
I don't know your son gets.
It's like crab legs.
It wasn't on the crab legs. You threw more, right?
I threw all that away.
He ain't even eat none of that. That was a waste of freaking $30. He ain't eat all of it.
He ain't enough.
Waste of freaking $30. Navigate on Raising Cane's. I like that. I like that. It's real nice. Yeah. And I don't really like that like that. Like, I like the Jeep better, but I don't know. For some reason, seeing it up close like this is different.
Inside.
Is the inside more bigger than the Jeep?
I seen the inside from the window. It's like more luxury. Like it's like got red letters and stuff like that. Who does that? Raising Cane's. Bluetooth device was connected at this time, baby. I've been told that so many times. I'm ugly for real. Who knew?
Hold on. Oh, so. Okay. What did you say?
What you want from you? Want some chicken tenders?
I want some chicken nuggets.
That's like 1 mile away.
I know.
1 mile away.
Like 2 minutes away.
It is like
sit up, sit down.
It's the same one we went to last time.
Is it?
Yeah. So yeah, I think it is.
Okay, so go to it.
Starting route to Raising Cane's
buckle
chicken
yourself
fingers.
in.
What?
To North Bury Ashford Road,
Okay,
then
do the
turn
other
right.
One. big boy seatbelt.
Why am I doing like this?
You know what?
That's why I need to be in my car. I'm more comfortable in my car.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable. I can't get comfortable in here.
I can't get jiggy in here.
Can't get chicky in this bullshit.
Put on the seatbelt.
No, that's just your breath smelling like seafood.
First of all, your breath smells like seafood.
I could smell that seafood until you came here and told us the car smell like seafood. That's your breath.
I'll put on sport mode. For
That's your breath.
Ooh, sure like that seafood up there.
Where's Bob? Going somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Right here. Are you kidding me? No, it was not. It's not the one we went to. But this is right here. Literally didn't even need the navigation system.
Arrived.
It was right down there. You got to Maya. Bro, stop doing that. You good?
Oh my God.
Okay, y'all need to stop. I can't even see out there. I got little mirrors and shit. You wanna go inside? Order or order?
I could just order at the window.
Hey, Gaston.
No, your throat hurt too?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Will y'all stop?
Gaston, we okay. We good.
We okay, yeah. We good.
He irritates us.
I need to stop.
What you getting?
Maya. Drink some water or some juice.
No, I know water. And I don't want no juice. I'll just get some of that lemonade.
I want some chicken nugget with ketchup with a rope with a carton with a macho and with a car
I'm playing that hit one like
Right, wrong person.
and what apples too.
Just 1 second.
Order when ready.
Okay. What had last time?
To get some chips. Lots of shit. Okay, they chicken tenders. Do they automatically come with
That's what I
I'm
don't know.
talking about those 25 because we can share that. Do it come with like juice, like the fries and the bread? They got the kid. No, they got the kid. They got the kids combo.
Okay, ask him. Gaston, stop.
Can I get the what is that? The camic combo?
The cannon?
Is that what they say?
The cannon combo? Can I get the cannon combo?
Cognac combo.
Cognac. Cognac, I'm sorry.
What for the drink?
Can I get a orange Fanta? I mean a high C. I'm sorry.
Cognac combo with a large hard C. Anything else?
What you getting?
Also, can we get the box combo?
Box combo for the drink?
You guys got a Sprite? Yeah, you do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have a Sprite.
Will that be all for you today?
And also the kids combo.
Kids combo for the drink?
You guys got apple juice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have apple juice with that.
Anything else?
That's it.
Total is $28.13 at the first window.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your receipt. Have a good evening.
You too, thank you. Why is y'all cough? Okay, y'all playing. Stop playing now. For real.
We're not. Sick.
You have a Cognac and a
Stop.
combo? The
Yes.
kids combo?
Yes.
Would you like ketchup?
Yes. Just hold it. Guys, get your juice. They're not opening yet. I was gonna eat inside yet.
You want to eat inside?
No.
You have a good day.
You too.
Mommy, drink some water. You okay? Bro, they probably talking mad shit about us, bro. Gaston. Let me just window for everybody seeing me. Oh my god. So what do you want to get? It's in the hotel right down the street. Gaston, that's enough.
We can go back to the hotel.
You sure?
We can go.
Yeah, I wanted to see those hospital. It's too late. It's too late.
What's up, though?
So you want to eat here?
Where's the ear?
All right.
Maya, okay, I swear to God, I'm finna keep it. Oh my.
The throat hurt, Gaston.
My throat hurts. My throat hurts.
Your throat hurt too?
Okay, I'm finna.
Oh my goodness, we sick, Gaston.
Y'all playing. Why y'all coughing in front of them damn people, man?
If we can't cough, we can't just hold our cough in because it's that stuff going on.
Okay, stop coughing. Damn, man. Dude, oh my god.
I'm ready to eat now.
I don't want to eat y'all coughing and shit. Y'all okay? Y'all probably got that shit.
No, we're not fine.
We good.
We good. I want.
Let's eat some food, man.
Yeah.
What? Stop coughing.
Stop.
Drink some water or something. Dang, man.
I feel better.
Yeah, you got some food, that's why you feel better?
I feel better too.
Y'all sound better.
Gaston.
What?
It was just a prank. I wanted to see what you would do with me, embarrass you up in the line.
Yeah, it was a prank.
What is yours?
It was a
Take the shirt
prank.
off.
I didn't say on the box, huh? I'm doing too much, man. There was no powers of a prank.
Because we was coughing. That camera on.
So coughing at fast food places was a prank?
Prank on you, cause you was like, what's going on in front of those people?
No, wait, what they call it? They wasn't like getting us food back.
What did they call CDC?
They probably could.
That camera on.
It's on. I can too.
Cause I let it on.
I can let it on.
Anyways, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that post notification bell for more videos. We got them publicly. Well, it wasn't publicly, but they probably was like, oh no, that lady hurry up the head. I ain't never got served that fast. They hurry up the head of our food. Like, oh no, give these people their food. Then Nunu up in the back talking about that's funny.
I wasn't that mad.
I'm really coughing out.
Embarrassing.
We in bed. That's the point of the prank. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell for more videos. Comment down below, Team Ghetto Maya. And peace.
Whatever.